What is up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. So, I just got a new package. Well, I actually got it like a couple days ago, but I ordered a wig from a website, and the wig is here, and I cannot wait because this is my vacation hair, and I am hoping for it to look so good on me. I went ahead and purchased my wig from LuvmeHair.com. And this is a cute little box. First of all, it came with a little pouch, and the pouch has some clips in it, some hairpins. It came with a band. It came with a band, y'all. This is really kind of small, but it came with an extra band because it does have a band already in the wig, which I thought was nice. It came with tweezers, and I got some. I took everything out of the thing. It came with some wig caps, and it came with a rat tail comb. Let's see. And this is the booklet that came in it. It gives you how to care for your hair. Y'all can't see none of this. How to care for your hair, how to use your wig, hair, frequently asked questions about the products. And it gives you the refund policy at the back of the card. I went ahead and bought the Deep Wave. I think it was the Deep Wave. I'm dropping everything. But I bought the Deep Wave. This is the Brazilian Deep Wave. And I bought this in 14 inches. And you can see it comes with the band. And it has a clip here. It has a comb at the bottom, 2 combs at the sides, and then it has a comb in the center, which I really don't need. And it has the drawstring at the bottom. It has the lace at the bottom, and let's see. And you see the lace this is actually their transparent lace. So it is supposed to be their undetectable lace, and it comes pretty plucked. I ordered it the Thursday before, and they shipped it out the same day. So it shipped really quick, and I got it on Monday, last Monday. I'll go ahead and show you how I style this baby. So stay tuned for how I make this happen. Alright, y'all, so this is my Luvme hair. As you can see, I went ahead and cut it a little bit to give it a little bob kind of look. Because I bought the 14, I didn't want something, it was kind of like right here. It was a weird length, and I bought it because I didn't want something too long. I told you guys I'm going on vacation, so I wanted something a little more fun, a little more flirty. So yeah, this is the wig, LuvmeHair.com. It was very affordable. I really do like this hair a lot. Yeah, so check out LuvmeHair.com. Oh, one more thing. This is undetectable lace, right? Undetectable lace. I did not use any type of powder or anything on the lace. You can't see it. If you get a little close up, you can't see it. But all in all, like from afar, you probably don't notice it. I mean, I kind of rushed to put it on, but from afar, you kind of don't really notice the lace. So that is the beauty of it. This is the undetectable lace. So I like it. I like it. Will I buy from this company again? Probably so. I like it. I want to try next time. I want to try some bundles and a frontal to see, you know, how the bundles are. But as far as the ready-made wigs, I do like it a lot. Like I said, I only cut a little bit to make it into a bob because I will be in the heat. But yeah, it's cute. It's cute. She cute. She cute.